The focus on today's video is on uploading and setting relevant reminders to your key compliance documents. What I've done for the sake of this video is focused in on the gas safety certificate. There's a whole range of different compliance documents you can upload, all of which we outlined for you in the Coho account. And that's part of this education piece that I've touched on before. But today we're going to focus on gas safety, the upload, and then the setting of a reminder as to when that needs to be renewed. So all you'll need to do is go into your Coho account and click on the property in question. We're going to take 12 Humber Grove here. We then see this extended actions quick access area here. So we're going to click on gas safety for now. What I need to do is I need to click this big pink button here to add a new certificate. We're going to give it a valid from date as being today. And the system then automatically registers that a gas safety certificate lasts for a year. If that time frame is different for different documents, the system also recognizes that. So that just takes a bit of pressure and admin off your hands by us doing that bit of work for you. We then choose a file and upload it, and then simply click add. That now adds and stores that document there for you. So when you come to doing your onboarding with a tenant, they'll be shared this document as well. But what we now need to do is we need to set a reminder to give us a prompt, 2 up to 8 weeks, I believe, until that document is due to be renewed. We'll get a reminder. So to do that, you click on this little cog here. We're going to go with manual. You can turn it off if you're not looking to use this document, but for the vast majority of you, you will need it. So therefore, we'll just go to manual. I'm going to say that we want to be reminded 6 weeks in advance of this document expiring. We then have the option to save that for this property or for all properties. For today, we're just going to save it for this property, 12 Humber Grove. And that's it. So what I'll do in the next video is show you the actions area, and I'll show you in the actions area how that reminder and how that prompt appears and how you can then take action. So for today, that was uploading and setting key reminders for those compliance documents. I hope you found it useful.